Time to supersize. Today we're having a look at the Dyson V11 Outsize. This is a new cordless vac that Dyson has made specifically for the North American market. And it's kind of interesting. Apparently, for the rest of the world, they don't have as large as homes as we do here in Canada and the United States. So to address that, they've made a version of their cordless vac that is better for our big bourgeois homes here. So we're gonna have an unboxing today. I'm gonna set this thing up and hopefully take it for a spin and try not to cut myself in the meantime. I've been using Dyson vacuums for many years now. I think the latest one I have is the V10, which I love. I just love having it cordless. You just kind of put it in its dock and it charges it up for you. Inside here, everything's, as always, packed in 300 different little cardboard boxes here. So this is obviously part of the stem. This will not go gently into that dark night. Do that. You're gonna have a big pile of cardboard and paper here. Yes, beautiful red. Okay. The regulatory compliance and safety information. Some bedtime reading. Some of the accessories in here. These are some of the nozzles that we're going to be able to use. And they really do a good job of wrapping this stuff up. Here's some of the other little guys. These are great handy little attachments. Little extension one here too. Here's a little attachment that'll go on to the actual main part here to attach some of these other attachments. An attachment for the attachments. Never ends. And a wee little mini one. Okay. And here, this must be the, oh, that's a battery. So that's the thing with this new one. It actually comes with 2 battery packs. And they say on eco mode or economical mode, you'll actually be able to get about 60 minutes of runtime off of each battery. That's 120 minutes. Or here in Canada, 2 hours. And what else we got here? Oh, we've got a power head attachment here, a smaller one. It's good for couches and things, what have you. And what do we have in here? Okay, instructions for the charger. And we've got, actually, oh, that's interesting. There's 2 chargers. So I imagine, is that for one for each battery? We'll have to find out. Yeah, it is. That's cool. I didn't think they would have that. Here's another, oh, this is the main brush. I'd like to meet the person that actually designs the cardboard packing here. Must be a huge science to that. What program do they use to figure out how to make all the different sizes? So right off the bat, I can see that this is larger than any of the Dyson heads before. So apparently this is 25% larger than in any of the previous models' brushes here. So the idea, again, because we have larger homes here in North America, it'll save us 25% of the time. Here we have the dock. So this is something you can actually mount to your wall to make your life easy as far as charging. Let's see if we can get this guy out in one piece. And here we are. Looks like I'm in a Flash Gordon movie. Oh, the battery. Yeah, they've got a battery right on here. So this is interesting. So you've got the removable battery packs, so you can have one always ready to go and charged if that one runs out. The actual canister here is 150% larger than the previous canister, so you can actually suck up a lot more dirt and debris and pet hair and all the rest of the crazy stuff on your carpets and floors before you have to empty them. And again, the instructions are right on the unit themselves. I'll just peel that off. Kind of a get started guide here. I'm just gonna put this down for a second and just make sure that we're not missing anything. And I think that's about it. And so the idea with this one as well is that it's got an automatic mode. So when you are doing your vacuuming, it knows to switch between the different floor styles. So if you've got like a hardwood floor and then you head up to carpet, your machine will know to give it more power or less power, depending where it's at. So we can put that there. We can put this here as well. And as you can see, we've got the full V11 Outsize. Very much like the V10 I have, the idea here is the LCD screen will actually show you how much runtime you have left. Like I said, you can get up to 2 hours between the two batteries on this guy, but you will find you probably won't get that much. On auto mode, it can be anywhere between 20 to 40 minutes. And if you go to boost mode, which as a guy, I think I just have that on all the time, you're only going to get about 5 minutes per battery. So if you come across a big pile of dirt or something you really want to kind of grind into, boost mode will get the job done, but of course the battery will not last as long. It's got the removable filter here as well that you can take out and clean. To empty it, you just kind of take this thing off here, push down on the lever here, and it just automatically pops the bottom out. Thankfully, I have no dirt in here yet, but you just empty that into the garbage can, and Bob's your uncle. So you just pull that up again, and presto kazinga. It's up there in price. There's no question. I think in Canada here, it's coming in, the $1,000 to $1,100 mark. That is a lot of money for a vacuum, but from my experience using Dysons, they last for years. So if you like this video, make sure that you do subscribe to our YouTube channel, the GetConnected YouTube channel, so we can make more of them. And comment. We'd love to hear what you think about this new one. Do you care that it's bigger? Would you get a bigger one? Or are you happy with your existing Dyson? Do you have a Dyson? Plan on getting one? We want to know.